Beneath the seemingly chaotic surface, an ant colony is a marvel of nature's precision and complexity. Red and black harvester ants transform the desert landscape into a bustling metropolis of survival, venturing up to 40 feet from their nest in a relentless quest for resources. Like tiny, six-legged commandos, they race against time, collecting seeds and vegetation with military-like efficiency. At the colony's entrance, vigilant maintenance ants stand as uncompromising gatekeepers, meticulously inspecting every morsel brought home. Their discerning eyes reject unsuitable materials, ensuring only the most valuable resources enter their underground kingdom. Nearby, security patrols prowl the perimeter, ready to confront any intruders with swift and decisive action. Deep underground, an intricate network of chambers tells the story of their civilization. Specialized rooms house everything from carefully stored food to developing young, with a hidden chamber protecting the most crucial resident, the queen. The colony's remarkable adaptability lies in its unique ability to program worker roles through diet, transforming larvae into workers or soldiers based on the colony's immediate needs. Nature's drama unfolds around them with breathtaking intensity, from scavenging fallen prey like a discarded owl to engaging in epic battles of survival against formidable predators. The horned lizard looms like a prehistoric monster, capable of decimating entire ant populations, yet the colony remains undaunted. When attacked, ants swarm in coordinated waves, their tiny bodies a testament to collective defense, despite knowing their venom barely phases their massive enemy. The lizard may close its eyes and endure their assault, ultimately feasting on the very defenders who sought to protect their home. Despite constant challenges, these tiny architects continue their endless work, expanding and maintaining their complex society one grain of sand at a time. Subscribe to our channel to explore the wonders of desert life, from its wild landscapes and wildlife to the vibrant communities that call it home.